Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good and healthy at your home. Now in this video I'm going to continue the chapter number 6, Food We Eat, class 3 EVS. Find out where each of these things is eaten more. These things, which things? Here on the back page, these things. Now here I want to show you some pictures of crops. Here are some pictures of crops or cereals. Wheat, ear of wheat or grain it is. This is rye, this is barley, this is maize or it is called corn also, rice, oats, millet. See here some more picture of crops: wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, almond, broccoli. This is the picture of some pulses: peas, lentils, chickpeas, beans. Okay, peas, this yellow, green and split yellow. Lentils, large green, red, French green. Chickpeas, garbanzo, desi, split desi chickpeas. Beans, dark red kidney beans, light red kidney, cranberry, pinto, black, navy. Now where each of these things is eaten more? So I will tell you that rice is eaten more in China and India. Wheat is eaten more in China and India. Millet is also eaten in China and India more. Barley is more eaten in Russia, Germany and France. So this was some data that I have discussed with you. You can also search for this thing, that where each of these things is eaten more. Okay, next is, we not only eat different things but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food items. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. See here, this is wheat and here you have to write what are the different variety items you can prepare by using the wheat. Chapati already written here, halwa. Next, dalia is also prepared by using wheat. Wheat flour dosa, biscuits, noodles, cookies. There are so many things in which we use wheat. Next is here rice. What are the things that you prepare by using rice? Like already here written, dosa, pulao, pasta, modak, muruk or chakli or put. Okay, next is, how many things did you write? Similarly, different pulses, vegetable, fruits, meat, etc. are eaten in different places. People have different likes and dislikes. Let us talk about it. Likes and dislikes. Likes means that the things that you like to eat. Dislikes means the things that you don't like to eat. Write the names of 3 food items you like to eat and 3 that you dislike. Okay, like here, what do you like to eat? If I tell for myself that I like to eat cake, I like to eat chapati. Dislike, I don't like to eat brinjal. Are your likes and dislikes similar to that of your family members, your friends? That you can find out by discussing this thing with your family members and your friends. Now let us talk to some people and know what they like to eat. See this girl, what is her name? Lee Chen. What she is saying? Let us see. I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snakes. Whenever we feel like eating snakes, we go to a nearby hotel and eat ling hu fein. Okay, this is a girl, she is from Hong Kong, which is in China, and she likes to eat what? Snakes. And ling hu fein, it is a dish that is prepared with snakes. Next, this girl Juni. I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa. Now she is from Kashmir. And once where she has gone? She had gone to Goa. We ate fish there, but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. See, when you use different oil, here she is using mustard oil for cooking fish, and here in Goa they are eating fish cooked in coconut oil. So the taste will be different. Next, this boy Thomas. I live in Kerala. I really like to eat two things. Both grow in our courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground. It is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. Okay, so he is talking about two things which he likes to eat. One is tapioca, next is coconut. Now he is saying one grows on the tall tree, it means it is coconut. Okay, and the other underground. Underground, what grows? Tapioca. Okay, here I will show you the picture of the Kerala state, where is Kerala, and I will also show you the picture of tapioca. See here, this is the map of India, and here this is the state Kerala. Okay, and where is Kashmir? Juni, she is from Kashmir now. So this portion of India is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, here in this area Kashmir is situated. Okay, and where is Goa? Here, this small state, this is Goa. Okay, so different areas have their different cooking process. Okay, same thing, if Kashmiri people are eating fish, they will cook differently. If Kerala people or Goa people are cooking fish, their process will be different. So that's why the taste will also will be different. Now can you guess what is this? This is tapioca. Okay, this grows underground. What are the reasons that decide what we eat? Put a tick on them. Add to the list. Okay, the reason that decide what we eat. First reason is given here. What is easily available? Obviously, what will be easily available, that will we eat. Next is what we can buy. That also is the reason. What we are able to buy, that thing we eat. Next is customs and traditions. That also is the reason that decide what we eat. What are the other reason can be? Like for example, area where we live. Okay, that area also can be the reason. Okay, suppose North Indian people are living in South Indian people, so where they are living, the area around, in that area maybe chapati is not available, only rice and dosa are available, so they have to eat that. Next reason could be whether we like it or not. Okay, that is also can be the reason. So whether you like the food or not. If you like it, then you will eat. If you don't like the food, that you will not eat. Okay, next is names of some things are given below. Put a tick on the things that can be eaten. If you are not sure about anything, you may ask your teacher. Okay, so here you have to put tick that can be eaten. Okay, rat can be eaten. You can search it on Google. Fish, yes. Okay, crabs, yes. Meat, yes. Cauliflower, yes. Like that you have to read and you have to do this activity, okay, in book. Okay. Next is write the name of some food items that you have never eaten before but feel like eating. So this you have to write here. What are the food items that you have never eaten, okay, before but feel like eating? What are the food? Okay. So here we have completed this chapter. Food we eat, chapter number 6, class 3 EVS. Okay, thank you. Bye.